Alright, so systems working together. So how the respiratory and circulatory systems connect. The respiratory system exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide with the circulatory system, and it transports these gases throughout the body. The interaction between these two systems happens in the tissue of the lungs. So breathing, which is the exchange of gases, moves the air in, inhalation, and out, expiration of our bodies. How the digestive and the circulatory system connect. So the transfer of food particles from the digestive system into the circulatory system takes place in the inner lining of the small intestine through the millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, which contain a network of capillaries. The transfer of food particles is possible because of absorption. So the villi absorb the food particles from the capillaries and then transport the nutrients to the cells that can be used as fuel. Okay, the circulatory system works with each of the other systems, supplying nutrients they need to perform their functions. The muscular system works with the nervous system to move the diaphragm so that gas exchange can take place. The circulatory system carries the nutrients throughout the body, and once nutrients have chemically been broken down by the digestive system, they are transported by the circulatory system, while the excretory system removes the wastes. This is coordinated by the nervous system, while the muscular system works with the skeletal system in the process of moving nutrients. The central nervous system coordinates with the peripheral nervous system and all other systems of the body. The wastes are carried by the excretory system, carried to the excretory system by the circulatory system and the digestive system, while the muscular system helps to coordinate the removal of wastes with a message from the nervous system. So what this is saying is that you don't just go to the bathroom all of the time, okay? Our nervous system sends a message to our brain, and our brain then lets us know when it is safe to use the washroom. These systems then work together to remove the structural framework within each system intact. The nervous system coordinates these movements and responds to the changes it receives from the environment inside and outside of the body. So looking at diseases and disorders. Okay, so diet, exercise, drug, injury, and disease can affect body systems and how they perform their functions. Scientific research also determined that there are many factors which can affect your cells and consequently your body systems. These factors include disease or conditions you inherit from your family, sensitivity or allergies to the environmental conditions such as smog, pollen, dust, dairy products, or peanuts. Asthma is a condition which reflects this kind of sensitivity. So how you respond to physical, emotional, and psychological stresses, and how you treat your body in general. So make healthy life choices instead of unhealthy life choices. Disorders which can hospitalize Canadians include circulatory system, which is responsible for 15% of hospitalizations, digestive system, which is responsible for 11%, and the respiratory system, which is responsible for 10%. Digestive disorders. So food provides nutrients in the form of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. These provide energies and materials used for growth, development, and repair. Some foods cause poor health and promote disease, like refined sugar and low-fiber foods, if consumed in large quantities over long periods of time. Starch and sugars are carbohydrates which provide the body with its main source of energy. Fats are essential to our diet, providing us with the energy and cushioning of the internal organs from shock. Proteins are essential for growth and repair of body tissue. Minerals and vitamins are also needed for good health. High-fiber diet is important because fiber is used by the colon to process waste and materials. So low fiber can irritate the colon and lead to colon cancer. Long-term stress, smoking, excessive use of alcohol, or aspirin can lead to peptic ulcers, which are holes in your stomach lining. We're going to look at circulatory system disorders in the next video.